I'm going to explain some internal topics of the chapter number 4, 12 biology. Okay, we have to study reproductive health. So, first problem inside. In my separate video, I have already given the question answer. Okay, you will see there. In this chapter, in CBSE examination, some internal questions are asked, some internal topics are raised, and the students must know about it. Then you can you not lose the any questions. So concentrate to internal points. Measures question directly. Measures can be asked that explain the various measures to improve reproductively healthy society. How can a step question may be asked in different ways. Then how can your attitude and what are the points by which you can improve our reproductive healthy society? When we talk about reproductive health means physical, emotional, behavioral, all aspects are well-being. If a person is well-being related to sexual activity, regarding physical means all organs, ovary and testes are well virgin function, it has a social reputation, emotional control, behavior is sexual behavior I'm talking about is control. Then the person is reproductively healthy, and such persons can create a reproductively healthy society. So here, what are the measures we should require? So first, the awareness about the sex related matters, whatever the other related sexual activities related matter, the young ones or the adulthood should be aware about it. Second, to decrease in infant mortality rate as well as maternal mortality rate. So mother and the newly born baby, they are generally very risky to attack by diseases. They are passing through the crucial phase. So their death rate should be decreased. Providing, how can we decrease? By providing medical assistance delivery with better postnatal care. The infant will be postnatal care given betterly, so their rate can be decreased. Third point, to aware about the small family. Several times you might have seen in the boundaries in your town or cities about the hum do hamare do, like this, the slogan. So slogan through audio, visual or print media to aware the people about the happiness of the small family, to provide better medical facilities for especially for reproduction related problems like abortion. If anybody wants to abort, then there will be medical facility infrastructure, expert doctors or nurses are required. As sexually transmitted diseases should be diagnosed or detected and diagnosed early or properly. Methods of contraception should be aware by the people, and other infertility related problems like IVF, in vitro fertilization. So this is very important. To aware about the population explosion. What the population explosion is? Our population growth in India is population growth, I have written here, 1.7%. Means every 1000 people, 70 people are added. This is the population growth rate, removing the death rate and mortality rate. So and immigration. So this should be controlled. Otherwise, you can see that here, focus here, that in 1900 the world population was 2 billion. In 6 billion it reaches up to 2000 only in 100 years. And India's population in you can see near the at the time of independence, 1947, The population was 350 billion, but now we have 1000 billions. So you can see here 350 billions India population. Now we have a 1000, so near about 3 to 4 times population has increased within 50 years. So that's the population explosion, which if not controlled then creates several problems. I will discuss later. So population explosion should be aware. Social evils various should be removed, like sex abuse, rapes, etc., or discourage them. The government should make a strong or very enforceful act to control these social evils. Next point is to provide a strong infrastructure for all and professional expertised doctors and nurses to deal with the infertility and implantation related problems. The last one is the statutory ban on the amniocentesis. So to find the sex of the baby and to stop the female feticides, to balance the sex ratio. In this way we can balance the sex ratio with along with the immunity of the children immunity. Next, what do you mean by population explosion? How can you define the rapid increase in the population over a short period of time? What I have said here, that 2 billion world population in 1900, 6 billion in 2000, 350 millions in 1947 India, and 1000 in 2000. So only within 53 years. So region. What are the reasons for this population explosion? 4 reasons are mentioned here. First is rapid decline in death rate by improvement of medical facility. The mortality rates are declined. The various health facility has improved. Reduction in the maternal mortality rate and reduction in the infant mortality rate and increase in the age group of adolescents, that is reproductive, the people of reproductive age. So these are the 4 regions. Living standard of the people has increased. So these all contribute to for the population explosion. So what are the factor that govern the population size? Any population size, what are the population size for a particular country or particular person in a particular time? So these are governed by 4 factors. One is mortality rate, that is X person per thousand per annum. Natality rate, that is the birth rate. Here it is death rate, it is birth rate. And immigration, the people come inside in a particular area. Suppose that in an apartment the peoples are living 1000 and 10 peoples are coming. So 1010 people's total population will be there. So immigration means going out. So these show negative impact. Mortality negative. So these two show negative. So minus, it will subtract the value, and these two add. So in this way, these 4 factors altogether decide the population size of a particular area. So what are the problems? If population cannot be controlled, separate question will be asked that what will be the problem. So very easy, you can also write that there will be a starvation, भूखमरी हो जाएगी, लोग मरने लगेंगे बिना खाए, अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट, नौकरी नहीं मिलेगी, इलिटरेसी, लोग पढ़े लिखेंगे नहीं, teachers as well as the school facilities will be declined. The poverty is a sin and mother of all crimes. So it's a sin to poor people can involve in the crime. So malnutrition, if there will be population explosion, then no one will get proper nutrients, balanced diet, and they developed a malnutrition, poor health, and crime related to various crimes. So in this way you can 5 to 4 questions easily you can answer by understanding this. Thank you.